In this problem, we are given that x squared divided by x to the fourth power plus x squared plus 1 equals to 1/4. What is the value of 5 times x to the power of 4 minus 15x squared plus 5 divided by 3x squared? We are going to use two methods to solve this problem. So the first method, well, notice that these two fractions are pretty similar, because in the second fraction we have x squared in the denominator. In the first fraction, x squared is in the numerator. This will mean that we could try taking the reciprocal, because then you have x squared in the denominator for both sides, for both fractions. So the first method will be reciprocal. So we have x to the fourth power plus x squared plus 1 divided by x squared equals to 4. Then I want to simplify the fraction. So if we divide x to the fourth power by x squared by x squared, and 1 by x squared, this will give us x squared plus 1 over x squared equals to 4. So x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 3 equals to 0. Then let's observe what we want. 5 times x to the fourth power minus 15x squared plus 5 divided by 3x squared. So once again, we can factor out 5 over 3, so we can get into a similar form as x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 3. So after factoring out 5 over 3, it will become x to the fourth power minus x to the fourth power minus 3 x squared plus 1 divided by x squared. And then this will equal to, once again, divide each of these terms. So 5 over 3 times x squared minus 3 plus 1 over x squared. And we already know this equals to 0. So the answer will just be 0. We have a second method. This is going to be called cross multiplication. So for cross multiplication, so take the first two fractions in the equation. Well, we can cross multiply the products. So x to the fourth power plus x squared plus 1 equals to 4x squared. So x to the fourth power minus 3x squared plus 1 equals to 0. Then compare this with 5 times x to the fourth power minus 15x squared plus 5. Well, that's just 5 times this. So 5 times x to the power of 4 minus 15x squared plus 5 divided by 3x squared equals to 5 times x to the fourth power minus 15 squared plus 1 x to the fourth power minus 3x squared plus 1 divided by 3x squared. So this equals to 0. So that means that the entire fraction will equal to 0. And that is how you solve this problem using reciprocals and cross multiplication.